How to show or hide camera cutout on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on display. After that, scroll down. Then in here, tap on camera cutout. And from the list here, you want to tap on an app. And then in here, you can choose to show or hide camera cutout. So let's say if I'm going to open up calculator. So we set calculator. And here I will choose hide camera cutout. So I'll select the option. Now if you tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and in here we're going to open up the calculator app. So I'll search for the calculator app. Here I'll open it, and you can see it will now hide the camera cutout. So if I go back in here and choose show, so here I'll go back in here and choose auto or show camera cutout. Then you can see at the top here it will show the camera cutout, just a little circle and in the middle. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.